Hello guys, this is your Daily Smiles.
You know what I think? I think you're going to change the world someday.
No, I won't.
What? I think you're going to.
I'm evil.
Whoa!
I'll make everybody witches and bats and vampires.
And make them all sassy like you?
Yeah. No, I'm just kidding. I won't.
Okay, good.
No. I'm just joking. I would never do that.
Good. Very, very good.
This dog likes to dance with her owner for TikTok.
Think you really gotta go.
This is a printer for your phone. I think it's pretty cool.
Perfect. Oh my god.
Isn't it great?
Chris!
I know, it's my dream.
Why is he always looking at the ceiling?
The great big titty in the sky, the source from which all the world's milk flows. Everlasting, endless nutrition, unmatched flavor. No baby's lips have ever made direct contact, but mine shall. One day. One day.
I don't know whether it's me, but I think this fridge is better than the one we have nowadays.
Ingenious store in any refrigerator. It has special places for bottles, spreadable butter, cheeses, even leftovers, and a big picture window hydrator for fruits and vegetables. It tilts down to show you your supply at a glance. And it also lifts out, so you can take it over to the sink when there's a fresh supply to be washed and put away. But that's just the door. Think of all you can store in here on these big firm shelves that roll all the way up to you, so you can get at the food and back without moving anything in front. And how about your frozen things? Oh yes, there's a place for them too, in this big food freezer. Even your ice cubes have a special place for storage, right here. And watch how they get there. You just take out a tray, turn it over, and push. You get a shower of ice cubes all frosty dry and ready to use.
I'm on vacation every single day 'cause I got my occupation. I'm on vacation. If you don't like a life, then you should go and change it. I'm on vacation every single day 'cause I got my occupation. I'm on vacation every single day, every single day.
This guy really messed up.
Is the Carolina Reaper chili. It's the world's hottest chili. And I'm wearing gloves right now because all of that heat, well, it comes from these seeds right here. Now, I just came back from Beast where they held Melbourne's annual chili eating competition. And competitors had to compete eating these chips.
Is your kid an unemployed loser? Always looking for handouts, bringing nothing to the table?
It's been 3 months. He hasn't even started looking for a job. He sleeps 5 times a day. When he's awake, if he's not drinking, he's drunk.
Sound familiar? Then call this number. We're gonna take your baby from rise and cry to rise and grind. Tummy time, reading, crypto, hygiene, style, bouncy thing. If your kid doesn't get a job within the first 25 years of our program, get your money back. Call now.
This guy's made a boat out of ice.
Meillä oli tulppa jäänyt laittamatta, sillä se oli niin täynnä vettä. Nyt se kelluu vielä. Ei saatana tuota Kuinka lavaat on jäänyt ja Milveli taisi jäädä. Tuli se vissiin droneille kuva.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time.